I have a new KitchenAid oven, it is blue on the inside. I forgot to wipe it down after I had some serious roast splashes on the bottom. I would like to work on getting the out without using clean.any suggestions.
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is brand new, covection and microwave convection combined. I am not at a place where I can look up the model.later. I could GT back to youthen.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I thought so. I am worried about the self-cleaning on the oven. And would like to see if this first time I could do it msdlf.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have taken hot water to it and use a sponge and the green side scrubber lightly. Too worried about it. Don't want to damage the finish.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. If you'd like to clean the oven without using self-clean, there is a product called Easy Off for self-cleaning ovens. You'd want to spray this on the area you'd like to clean and just follow the directions on the side of the bottle. Do not get the standard Easy Off or it can ruin the finish of your ceramic. You need the stuff that specifically says it's for self-cleaning ovens. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
My oven is blue on the inside. Will the Easy Off bother that? Also, if I use the Easy Off for self-cleaning, will I still be able to use the self-cleaning function on the oven at a later time?
It will not. It's not the color that's the problem, it's the clear coating on the ceramic that is different for self-cleaning ovens. And yes, you can still use the self-clean feature in the future anytime you want. This is just a product made so you can manually clean the oven if you want it.
Thank you much. I am breathing easier now.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.